and welcome back to my channel. So I have another Walgreens haul for you guys. These deals started on Sunday, April 11th, and they are good up until Saturday, April 17th. In this video, I did go ahead and do 3 transactions. In my first transaction, I went ahead and grabbed the razors, the toothbrush, and the toothpaste. My second transaction, I grabbed the Downy, the the Tide Pods. And then in my third transaction, I went ahead and grabbed 3 bags of chips, but only 2 are pictured. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload a video. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into the deals. Okay, you guys, so in my first transaction, I went ahead and grabbed 2 of these big Soleil smooth scented razors. And these are priced at Walgreens this week for $5.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive a $4 registry reward. So what you're going to do is go ahead and pick up 2 at $5.99, and that's going to bring your total to $11.98. We do have some printable coupons on coupons.com. I'm not sure if the coupon is still available, but you can check and see. And then we also have a $4 digital coupon if you have it on your account. I clipped it on my account a while ago. And then we also have a $3 digital coupon that you can use as well. But for me, I used 2 printable $4 coupons. So I used a total of $8 in coupons. So $11.98 minus the $8 in coupons that I used, that brought my total down to just $3.98. So you would pay that $3.98 out of pocket, and then you will get back the $4 registry reward, which I did get back, but I used it in my second transaction. So with me getting back that $4 registry reward, it made these completely free plus a 2-cent moneymaker. And then I also went ahead and grabbed this Oral-B toothbrush and this Crest 3D White toothpaste. So these are priced this week at Walgreens for $4 each. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive a $4 registry reward. So you will go ahead and grab a Crest toothpaste and an Oral-B toothbrush. That's going to bring your total to $8. I did use a $1 digital coupon for the Crest 3D White toothpaste. And then I used a $2 digital coupon for the Oral-B toothbrush. So in coupons, I used a total of $3. So $8 minus the $3 in digital coupons that I used, that brought my total down to just $5. And remember, when you buy 2, you will receive a $4 registry reward. I did not receive my $4 registry reward for this. And the reason why, you guys, is because my Oral-B toothbrush rung up at $4.29 instead of $4. When I went in the store, it was nighttime, so it was close to them closing, but I was able to get in and get out. Normally, whenever I go, I would scan my products on the app just to make sure they're ringing up the correct price. But this particular night, I did not, but this was tagged for $4. So what I did was I did contact customer service and let them know, and they did go ahead and credit my account with the $4 in Walgreens cash. So make sure that you are scanning your products. No, like I said, normally I would, but I was just kind of trying to go in and out the store, but it was tagged for $4. So I'm going to show you guys my receipt. So right here, I have both of my big Soleil razors. They rung up at $5.99, so $11.98. My Crest toothpaste rung up at $4, and as you can see, my Oral-B toothbrush rung up at $4.29. Both of my $4 big razor coupons scanned. My Oral-B digital came off $2, and then my Crest $1 digital came off. So it brought my subtotal to $9.27. With taxes included, it brought my total to $10.49. I did go ahead and use $10 in Walgreens cash, and I paid the 49 cents out of pocket, which I used to pay with my PayPal debit card. I didn't get anything but 10 cents back from this transaction, but I got back my $4 registry reward from the big Soleil razors, and then customer service credited my account with the $4 in Walgreens cash for my registry reward not printing. So that is what I got in my first transaction, you guys. And then in my second transaction, I went ahead and grabbed the Downy fabric softener, 2 of the Tide liquid detergents back there, and then I also grabbed a package of the Tide pods. So the Tide products are still buy 3 get 1 free, and they are all priced at $4.99. So I decided to grab the Downy fabric softeners, 2 Tide liquids, and then a Tide pods. I also used coupons. So I went to the PG Good Everyday website and I printed off a $2 coupon for my Tide pods right here, a $2 coupon for my Tide liquid back there, and then I also printed off a $1 coupon for the Downy. So that's a total of $5 that I used in coupons. And then I also picked up 2 of these Done dish soaps. No coupons for these or anything. These are just priced at Walgreens this week for 99¢. In this transaction, I already had a $4 register reward in my wallet that I was planning to use on this transaction. And then I also used my $4 register reward that I got from the first transaction. So I used a total of $8 in register rewards on this transaction, along with my coupons. So let me go ahead and show you my receipt. So as you can see, my Tide pods rank up at $4.99, Tide liquid $4.99, Downy $4.99, and then I gave them my second Tide liquid last because I wanted to make sure that that one rung up for free because I had coupons for the Tide pods, the Tide liquid, and then the Downy. So that's why I gave them that one last. And then both of my Done dish soaps rung up at 99¢, so $1.98. Both of my $4 register rewards came off. So this is the $4 register reward and this one. And then this one right here says Downy liquid $2, but that is actually supposed to be the Tide liquid. And then the Tide pod paper coupon came off, and then a Downy $1 came off. So that brought my subtotal to $3.95 with taxes included. It brought my total to $4.73. I went ahead and used $4 in Walgreens cash, and I paid the 73¢ out of pocket with my PayPal debit card. And then down here, I just got back 8 cents. So I am happy with this transaction because I only had to pay taxes out of pocket. So that is good. And I am stocking up on the items that I know that I'm going to be selling in my bundles. So this transaction was a win for me. And then in my third transaction, I went ahead and grabbed 3 bags of chips. Right now, I have the salt and vinegar, the Doritos, the sweet chili, and then I also had grabbed the sour cream and onion Lay's chips. My husband already ate that bag, so that is why that is not pictured. And so with the chips, they are priced this week at Walgreens for 3 for $6 or $2 each. What I was planning to do was use my $4 register reward that I thought I was going to get back from my Crest deal on this deal. So let me show you my receipt. So all of the chips rung up at $2 each or 3 for $6. So it's brought my subtotal to $6. I used $5 in Walgreens cash, paid $1 out of pockets, and only got back a penny for this transaction. So this is everything that I got in all 3 of those transactions. I am happy with each transaction. The only issue I had was my Oral-B toothbrush not ringing up correctly, but I am grateful that customer service did go ahead and give me the $4 in Walgreens cash. And then I also got this 20% off your next $10 or more purchase of regular price items store-wide. I got this that printed out of the Catalina machine. So don't forget, you guys, to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. I did go ahead and submit all 3 receipts. I got back for my first transaction with the razors, I got back 25 points. For my second transaction with the Tide, I got back 25 points. And then for my third transaction with the Doritos and the Lay's chips, I got back a total of 60 points. So don't forget to scan your receipts to Fetch Rewards. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points. So go ahead and click that link in the description box below. And then also, you guys, do not forget to go to the PG Good Everyday website and scan your PG products so that you can get some points for those as well. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, I would be very grateful if you would give me a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and your family, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.